Lamborghini is on the move. We have set a clear course. On our way to the future, we are guided by our conviction. We are fueled by our passion. We are powered by our V12. V12 engines have always been the highest expression of sportiness for a super sports car. It is no coincidence that this engine layout has characterized top Lamborghini models from the very first day. Perfected over generations of our super sports cars, right to the iconic Aventador. The roar of our naturally aspirated V12 arises pure and unfiltered emotions. It is harmonic, natural, and it expresses excellence in every aspect. Power, response, balance. The sportiness of an Aventador is rooted in its heart. Its engine is unmatched in its linear progression. It is immediate response, or its ideal harmony of sound and vibrations. This is why the V12 has been an icon of Lamborghini. Truly timeless. The success story of the Aventador is unprecedented. Since its launch in 2011, more than 10,000 units have been delivered to their owners. The Aventador SVJ put the performance to the test, recording the fastest lap around the Nürburgring back in 2018. To this day, the fastest lap of any production car powered by a naturally aspirated engine. It is very clear that the Aventador is a true legend, a living legend, for its story goes on after Aventador, Aventador Super Veloce, Aventador S, and Aventador SVJ. It is my big pleasure and privilege to announce today the Aventador Ultimae, the grand finale and celebration of the Aventador. The Ultimae unites the best of all these Aventador generations in one car. The Aventador SVJ performance combined with the driving dynamics of the Aventador S and the definitive Aventador design. It is the Ultimae Aventador concluding an extraordinary era, denoting the final, purest, timeless, naturally aspirated production V12 Lamborghini, the last of its kind. A new palette of options for exterior and interior is created for owners of the just 350 coupes and 250 roadsters numbered editions of the Ultimae. With 780 horsepower and 8,500 RPM to a permanent four-wheel drive, the Ultimae will be known as LP780-4. It's both the most powerful and the fastest Aventador, accelerating from 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds and continuing to accelerate up to a top speed of over 355 kilometers per hour. These are just some of the highlights of this last Aventador derivative. In summary, the Aventador LP780-4 Ultimae celebrates the Lamborghini Aventador's complex yet elegant lines and surfaces. It is the culmination of Lamborghini's aspirated V12 design legacy. I hope you get the chance to see it soon, or even better, to experience it. It takes time to become timeless. Our naturally aspirated V12 and the Aventador prove this once more. They are both timeless icons. Grazie e forza Lamborghini.
It takes facts to become a legend. It takes stories to make history. takes fights to become immortal. It takes critiques to become a classic. It takes a shift to become an icon. It takes time to become timeless.